All right, y'all. Mariscos Sinaloense. Let's make them. So we're going to start off with a white onion. We're going to cut just half of that. So go ahead and make your slit right through the middle. And by this time, we should all know how to cut an onion, dice it up finely. Now, once you're done dicing it up, throw all that into a bowl. Now, go ahead and grab 2 Roma tomatoes. We're going to make our slices just like this. And now what I like to do, I just put them right on top of each other and just cut them like that. Now just go ahead and turn them over and make your squares. Now once you're done, throw that in the bowl as well. Now grab your cucumber and peel this. Once it's peeled, do a slit right through the middle. And now with a spoon, what you're going to do is you're going to scrape out all the inside of it, because we don't eat this at all. Now just make little slits like this on them, and you're going to cut them until it has a nice little square, or just a shape just like this. Throw that into your bowl as well. And now go in there with some freshly grated carrots. Season that with a little bit of salt, and I'll mix it all up. And now we're gonna let this sit. Meanwhile, we start prepping our shrimps. So here are my shrimp. I actually washed mine like 3 to 4 times. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut them into little pieces just like this. You could actually keep them whole if you want, but my preference is cutting them up in pieces like that. Now go ahead and throw your shrimps in a separate bowl. So now we're going to get started on our sauce. So you go cut up about 8 lemons or so and squeeze all that into a bowl. So now I go in there with about half a cup to a cup of this clamato juice right here. Roughly a tablespoon of this Worcestershire sauce. You can use any brand you want. This is the one I enjoy. And you guys, this right here, liquid seasoning, is key to the sauce. So go in there with about a tablespoon as well. I decided to put some of this habanero sauce. This is kind of optional if you don't want it. Throw in there a good amount of that black pepper. Now mix everything together. And always remember, you guys, salt and season to your liking. Now go in there with the juice of 1 orange. This is going to cut out the strong acidic flavor of the lemons. Might need a little bit more sauce, so I put some more in there. Now go ahead and throw in all your shrimp. Make sure you submerge them in there, mix it up nicely, and now let those shrimp cook. Go in there with those veggies we just diced up and mix it in thoroughly. Once you're done, serve yourself a good amount inside of a bowl. Don't forget some of that sauce, because that thing is amazing. Man, look at that masterpiece right there. I layered an avocado rolls on mine. Now season that rolls with a little bit of pepper. And all done, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to see what other items you want to see get done.